Today's first I am that was left in the comments. It says, I am empty. I am empty. How many of us feel empty? On a daily basis or weekly basis, every now and then we feel empty. When we're feeling empty, we need to start looking within to figure out why are we feeling so empty. It's usually always, I should say, it is always on the inside. What is on the inside is reflecting what we see on the outside. Start soul searching to find out why are you empty. What makes you feel empty? It's not an easy job. It's hard. Because when you start looking to see what makes you empty, so many other things come up and you're like, oh my God, I didn't realize all of this was happening. Not too long ago, I was feeling empty. I was here, it was the weekend, and I was watching movies like I do on the weekends, and I felt a little empty. And I was like, what's going on? What is going on? And I start searching. Is it because this person acted this way? And I'm talking family member. Or is it me that looking at whatever it is that they said or did in the wrong way? And I start soul searching. Come to find out, it's just me. I was just having a low energy day, and that was affecting what I was hearing and seeing. Once I got to that point and I addressed it, the rest of my day was fine. I'm going back in the green, and I'm just going to go over here because I need more green on this side. But soul search, address what is going on for real and see if it's you or what is being said or what you are seeing that is affecting your mood, your spirit, your soul, and make decisions for you based on that. But always self-search, because emptiness, the feeling of emptiness does not feel good. It is a very sad, depressing feeling. I have been there, and every now and then I will feel empty, and I have to address it to find out what it is making me feel empty. So today's I am is I am empty. That was left in the comments. Thank you very much for leaving that in the comments. I'm going to use a shimmer right now. Another I am that was left was I am thankful for the breath of life. I am thankful for the breath of life. That is so true. Without the breath of life, I would not be here with you today, and you would not be here watching my video. So I am thankful for the breath of life, just like you are thankful for the breath of life. I'm taking another shimmer, different shade, and I'm going right here in the front of my eyes. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Life is important. Do not dim your light for another. always keep shining. If you're suffering with any ailment, any health condition, please seek help. Help is available. Today's foundation that I use is the FENTY Hydrating Foundation, and that is in shade 420. That is my correct shade. This sample right here. The blush that I use is Juvia's Place. This is the shade that I use. This shade right here is my blush. It is volume 2. My bronzer is by MAC. It is Rich Finish. That's the shade. That's my bronzer. My lipstick is e.l.f. It's a very old one. It is Bordeaux. It's a berry. The palette that I use today is by Sugar Drizzle. Those shades are beautiful. I used 1, 2, 3, 4 shades. 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. And this is my look. I did all of that and I was not even filming. Let's try this all over again. I wasn't even filming. I'm like looking, I'm like, something doesn't make sense. Oh my God.